Hey Dwi.
मैं अपनी संस्कृति में बात करने वाली हूँ। ये कितना सुंदर है, कितना सुंदर
काउंट कर रहा हूँ ये भी मैं।
This is a streaming vlog and that is Microsoft. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
I live my day, I live my
So today's video is all about exploring Vancouver again. Today is the last day we are exploring Vancouver because in 2 days is my flight now and we're gonna spend some quality time at home now. A lot more travel content coming up for you in 2025. So yeah, if you are interested to see everywhere I travel and everything I do in this vlog, then please do continue watching. And if you're new here, then hi, I'm Hetvi. I make content relating beauty, lifestyle and travel and a lot more. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button, hit the bell button so you are notified every time I post a new video. And without any further to do, let's just get right into the video. And we've reached at Stanley Park and I'm wearing a Puma hat, Puma shoes and Puma socks. I'm a Puma girl today. But we are again walking towards Sati's favorite lane, which is the Bayshore lane. I got an extra small bike because my tiny height needs extra small, and cycles here are very different when compared to sitting and balancing and everything. It's different. It's like a new cycle. Fortunately, I'm very good at cycling, so it'll work out. This is the view. This is Sati's cycle, my cycle, Didi's cycle, and we're biking. We have taken a stop here. This is the biking lane, this is the pedestrian lane, and we have taken a stop here because we want to just take a moment here and look at this beautiful view. Look at this. We were over there 2 days back at the Coal Harbour and the Olympic Cauldron. This is what the view looks like here. Wow, this is a horse. Wow, so pretty. Didi's clicking picture of a tourist, and Thadi is also clicking pictures of the scenery. Wow, there's a cruise going. So pretty. Look, mermaid statue. Lionsgate. So we were over there at that lighthouse and now we are here. Like, we covered so much in about like under 5 minutes, like this entire thing, and now our cycles are over here. I am so happy. Look how amazing the view looks. And the Lion Gate Bridge behind me. Very happy with how everything looks. And there's a Stanley Park. Wow. This is Hetu's bike, sky blue, light blue, pastel blue color. Black one is Sati, and the turquoise blue cyan color is Didi's. These are our cycles. So the entire Stanley Park from here to the circumference is 10 kilometers. And we were here and we are here. We only completed like 25%.
Hey, Dwi.
Another Lions Gate Bridge viewpoint spot, and this is how it looks. And we just biked here. I've kept my bike over there with the helmet and everything because I wanted some pretty pictures. And there's a man fishing here which is so adorable. अब मैं अपनी संस्कृति में बात करने वाली हूँ. ये कितना सुंदर है, कितना सुंदर.
सुंदर भी काउंट कर रहा हूँ.
बहुत ज़्यादा आश्चर्यचकित हो गई मैं ये देख के. इतना खूबसूरत कभी नहीं देखा मैंने. Just walking towards our bikes now and completing the rest of the 6 kilometers left. We've taken a break here. We're sitting on a bench and this is the view. And this is my cycle, bike. Ready, set, go! Look at this view. Oh my god, wow. Amazing. I love it. There's so much to bike more and I am like, oh my god. I'm tired now of just biking. I want to grab something to eat, you know. I got hungry. But the views here are so amazing. I am like literally driving a bike in a coat and this thick layer of t-shirt, and then there are these cargo pants, and then there are socks, everything. So I mean, it's so cold here but yet so amazing. Like you don't sweat here while cycling, but in Mumbai you do sweat a lot while cycling. I used to cycle a lot in Mumbai. I remember cycling on the slopes of Goregaon and just like going to the Film City viewpoint, driving my cycle on the highway, and it was just insane. But here it's just like a circle, but there's so many slopes and like you get tired here because it's so big. Everything is like so big and there are like rules to follow. You have to stay on the right side of the lane because the left is to overtake, and there are these two different lanes. When one is the biking lane, the other one is a pedestrian lane. So there is a lot. But yeah, overall this is a beautiful experience. You should definitely come here to bike at Stanley Park. The circumference is around 10 kilometers, so you would be cycling for 10 kilometers. And yeah, that's about it. We are at the Lost Lagoon and we're finally at the end of the pathway where we are supposed to keep our bike, and then we'll go to Gastown because I am very hungry. बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज हो गई. एक्सरसाइज 10 किलोमीटर कौन चलाता है बाइक? This is the Lost Lagoon point. This I think was lost, but now it is found, so they've not changed it to Found Lagoon, is what my sister said. But that is my bike. That is Didi and Sati's bike. And this is the view. And this is Hitu. I think I should change my channel's name to Hitu Vlogs. But look, so pretty. If I don't say so pretty, it is not pretty. We are finally done with the Stanley Park's biking. And I'm so happy because बहुत साइकिलिंग कर लिया यार.
अभी पेट में लगी ना
आग. There was this woman who was walking behind me. She was constantly saying that, you know, it will be worth it because there will be delicious food at the end. And I'm like, ये इधर तो सर्कल पे इधर आ गए. Delicious food किधर है?
I don't know where she's ending.
Maybe she's going outside from a different end. We just did a loop.
Yeah.
But yay! We did 10K. Crazy. This was crazy. But I'm so happy that it's finally finished and now I can go have some food because I am starving. And after biking we are at this bus stop which is called Georgia and Demon, and we're going to Metro Town, which from where we will go to Gastown and explore Gastown tonight. This has become my favorite street. We are going to this place called Nuba where we get Lebanese cuisine. So apparently God doesn't like me because they have this out of stock, or they just don't have that. They also don't have the chickpea fritters. So I am just like, I don't want to have any of the main dishes. I'm just gonna have starter. And this is what the food arrived already.
Yes. Okay, I'm just going to thanks.
बट यार क्या जगह है यार, मेरे को ये एक चीज़ पसंद है and वो नहीं अवेलेबल है. हम क्या पता क्या चल रहे हैं गंदी लोगों के रेस्टोरेंट में. और ये मूड स्पॉइल हो गया. ये हमस है जो हर रोज़ दीदी बेटर बनाती है इससे. तो ये देखो शाक और रोटी खा रही है. दिस इज पीटा ब्रेड एंड दिस इज हमस अपेरेंटली, बट माय सिस्टर मेक्स अ लॉट बेटर हमस इन दिस. सो ये कोकोनट का चटनी लग रहा है. क्या है ये? This was the best thing here, best. I gave it an 8 on 10. ये लास्ट पीस है बाकी. And I'm so happy. ये मैं हर रोज़ खाऊँ. ये लग रहा है मार्गरीटा पिज़्ज़ा जैसा टेस्ट में, बट इसमें दही का भी टेस्ट आ रहा है, इसमें क्रीम का टेस्ट आ रहा है, इसमें चीज़ का टेस्ट आ रहा है, एंड पेपर ऊपर से गार्निशिंग में. ओहो हो, बहुत अच्छा है ये. Shop, very cute. Gastown, here we are. And the weather has suddenly gotten very chilly, but I have my trusty birthday t-shirt, which I can do like this also and not feel cold. This is the t-shirt which is given by my best friend and I'm very happy with it. I wore it everywhere here. This is the only top I'm repeating, by the way. I can see the steaming clock from here. It's so cold now. This is the famous lane everyone keeps hyping up. I don't know what is so hyping. Maybe the lamps has flowers like this, or is it this? So many people. I think this is a happening street, isn't it?
नहीं फिर भी gas का ये फोटो ले लेंगे.
The street is very pretty. Like, look, the lamps have this.
The architecture of the street is different from other streets.
Yeah. Maybe that's why. Yes. This is a steaming log, and that is Microsoft. Wow. So pretty. So that was the Gastown steaming clock, which is famous, which the street is famous for, I think. And there was such a huge line there. But Gastown is also known for its restaurants and architecture. So many restaurants here, beautiful restaurants, and there's also amazing buildings. Like the architecture of the buildings here is different than anything we've seen as of yet. We are at this local store in Gastown, and I'm looking for fridge magnets here. I think they would be here. Nope. I'll have to check where I can find fridge magnets. This is what Didi and Sati are gifting me, and I loved it from my first. I loved the first choice only. But also, look at this. This is something perfect for Tasneem. Yoga positions. Because it had cats. So this is a new area of Gastown. We are exploring. And it's very, 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 very pretty. I love it. Oh,
Yes, it was.
wow. Look at this. This is also so good. Basically it commends some railway company. They made this statue. Wow. So pretty. I'm feeling very cold now, and my head was aching because of that, so I'm wearing all the gloves, my beanie, hat. Now we're just going to home. We're going to play games night and then call it a night. This station is so much prettier. Gastown से जो स्टेशन आता है वो कितना ज़्यादा pretty है. Pretty fountain at Didi's building के नीचे. और यहाँ का vibe कितना यहाँ का vibe नहीं, यहाँ का वातावरण कितना मस्त है. Look. So Didi and Sati got this amazing night suit for me, and I love it. It says I don't do mornings, and there's a bear here. Canada apparently is known for bears. I don't know why. Everyone's like be aware of bears and everything, but looks so pretty. I'm so happy. This is my new night suit and I'm wearing it today. Yay! And the backstory of this night suit is that Didi selected the design and Sati's idea was to gift it to me. So I really liked it. I'm so appreciative of them because when they told me and I saw the price, I was like, and plus it's made in India. So I was like, let's buy, if you all want to gift me something, yes, gift me something from the grocery section so I could cook it for you all because my love language is cooking. But they insisted and they just bought it for me and I love it. So yeah, thank you so much.